All right, here we have extension 7.3. This is journal page 155. Find the value of x, then classify the triangle. So, to find the value of x, we know all three angles have to add up to 180. So we'll start with that. X plus 60 equals 180. And that's just this angle plus that angle equals 180. We combine like terms here since we can. Now we have 2x plus 60 equals 180. Subtract 60 from both sides. 2x equals 120. Divide by 2. And x equals 60. So x equals 60 here, x equals 60 there. And now I have 60, 60, and 60 for our triangle, which makes this an acute triangle as they are all less than 90. Acute. And look at, I've got two tick marks here, so you might think isosceles, but remember that when it's all of them are 60, that's an equilateral. So a tick mark down here too to make this equilateral. Equilateral. And we did talk in class today about the sides opposite congruent angles are congruent sides. You do not need to remember that till you're in high school sometime, but it does work out here so we can see that that's an acute equilateral triangle. Over here we'll do the same kind of thing. We'll go x plus 120 equals 180. 2x plus 120 equals 180. Minus 120 from each side. 2x equals 60. Divide by 2 on each side. X equals 30. So I got a 30 there and a 30 there. This is an obtuse angle. Remember, if I have an obtuse angle, it is an obtuse triangle. That one goes here. Obtuse. And I'm isosceles because only two tick marks, and this time it's not a equilateral. So isosceles. Down here. This time when we add up all three, you can't forget this right here. That's a 90-degree angle. You can't leave that out. So I have x plus 90 plus 59 equals 180. Combine like terms to get x plus 149 equals 180. Subtract 149 from each side. X equals 31. And that makes it, I have a right angle in it, making it a right triangle. And no tick marks, none of these are the same. No angles are the same, therefore no sides are the same. So scalene. Over here, 73 plus 79 plus x equals 180. And combining like terms, I have 152 plus x equals 180. Subtract 152 from each side. X equals 18. Just joking. I meant 28. Just seeing if you were paying attention. 28. All of my angles are less than 90 degrees, making this an acute triangle. And they're all different. All my sides are different. So scalene. And finally, on this one, it just says find the value of x. We don't have to classify it. So I have x plus 110 equals 180. 2x plus 110 equals 180. Subtract 110. 2x equals 70. Divide by 2, and x equals 35. Excellent. Another side. Oh, yeah. Tell whether a triangle can have the given angle measures. If not, change the first angle measure so that the angle measures form a triangle. So instead of adding all three of these to see if it's 180 or not, and then deciding what I have to do with this first angle to make it a triangle, I'm going to count that first angle as a variable, add the other two angles, and see what that first angle has to be. If it is 25, then yes, this was a triangle. If it's not 25, then I'll already have what that angle has to be. So let's try it out. I'll add these two. So x plus 155 equals 180. X has to equal 25. X does equal 25, so this is a yes. It is a triangle. Do the same kind of thing over here. Oh, loving the decimals. They are our friends. So we're going to count this one as a variable. X plus 94 plus 31.5. Remember, when I'm going to add these, I have to line up the decimals. This one has a decimal right there. So now I have x plus 94 plus 31.5, 125.5, equals 180. Now I have to subtract 125.5. And x equals, well, I'll put the decimal in, annex a 0, do some borrowing stuff like that. 5, 4, 5. 54.5. Wait, it's 55.5. So this is a no. And we know that that first angle has to be a 54.5. Pause. And same thing here where we add these up. So x plus 64 plus 30 equals 180. X plus 94 equals 180. Subtract 94, subtract 94. X equals 86. No. So this is a no, and the first one has to be 86 degrees. X plus 140 plus 12 equals 180. X plus 152 equals 180. Minus 152 on each side. X equals 28. Not even close. So no, and it has to be 28 degrees. Two more. X plus 53 plus 28 equals 180. X plus 81 equals 180. Minus 81 minus 81. X equals 99. Yes, that is a triangle. Last one, x plus 54 plus 47 equals 180. X plus 101 equals 180. Subtract 101, subtract 101. X equals 79. Yes, that is a triangle. If you have questions, ask in class, and we will see you tomorrow. See you.